How to use Claude AI for YouTube video scripts. If you're a content creator looking forward to streamline your YouTube writing script process, then you need to check out Claude AI by Anthropic. This powerful AI tool can help you generate high-quality, engaging scripts in minutes, saving you time and effort. In this video, I'll walk you through on how you can use Claude AI to create compelling YouTube video scripts step by step. Whether you need a structured script, engaging storytelling, or SEO-friendly content, Claude AI can do it for you. Let's dive right in. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, first things first, let's quickly go over with what Claude AI is, developed by Anthropic. Basically, Claude AI is a conversational AI model that specializes in generating human-like text, making it perfect for YouTube script. Here's why content creators love Claude AI. Basically, it saves time. No more writer's block. Generate a full script in minutes. You can create structured content. It helps with intro, key points, and conclusion. It adapts to different tones. Whether you need an educational, entertaining, or sales-driven script, Claude AI got you. Improves engagement. You can create compelling engagement hooks or engaging storytelling. Now let's move on the actual process on how you can use Claude AI to write script. Basically, to start using Claude AI, you want to navigate through their official website, which is claude.ai/login. From here, you can then go ahead and continue with your email, or in my case, I'll just go ahead and continue with my Google right here. Right after, it will then prompt you to enter your number, where you have to verify that specific number in order to create an account inside Claude AI. And so, once inside the console of Claude AI, basically, all you have to do is to provide a clear prompt. You can start by giving Claude AI a detailed prompt. Now, for example, I'll go ahead and enter this example prompt right here. It's going to be write a 10-minute video script about the benefits of intermittent fasting. The tone should be engaging and informative, with a strong hook and clear segments and a call to action at the end. And so let's go ahead and hit on the enter button, and you will go ahead and witness how powerful or how good this AI model is. So let's just go ahead and wait for this model to load in. And as you can see, it emphasizes on the introduction. You have your title card. You also have your transitions and your segments. Now, of course, you can go ahead and edit and personalize your own script by telling Claude AI that you want to edit some parts of the script right here. Now, let's go ahead and say that I want to edit out the first script, which is the introduction. Hey guys, have you ever wondered how some of the world's most successful person or people maintain their energy and focus? Now, let's go ahead and personalize this script right here by typing something like redo the introduction and make it more engaging. So you can just go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard, and from there Claude AI will basically provide you with a new script that you provided. Now, with the engaging script, we have picture this, it's 7 a.m. and like millions of others, you're probably thinking about breakfast, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we can basically go ahead and make scripts on Claude AI as simple as typing a prompt. Now, this is also good to optimize for your YouTube SEO. You can make sure that your video ranks well, to ask Claude AI to include keywords, create an attention-grabbing title, suggest timestamp for each sections, and write a compelling video description. And so basically, Claude AI isn't just for basic scripts. It can also enhance your content by adding storytelling elements. So let's just go ahead and say that I want to go ahead and put or ask Claude AI to make the script more engaging with real-life examples. So I'll just go ahead and click on enter, and voila, in no time, Claude AI will present me with a new script. You can go ahead and improve engagement hooks, request a stronger call to action to boost likes and comments. You can simplify complex topics. If your niche is technical, Claude can break things down for better understanding. The more specific and detailed your request is, the better the script Claude AI will generate. So you can just go ahead and make sure that you have a detailed script This is really important when generating your own console or prompt inside Claude AI. And so before moving on, I'll just go ahead and give you some pro tips or general tips in order to improve your Claude AI response. Now, you basically want to refine your prompts. Be clear as possible when requesting scripts. You want to use it as a guide, not a final script. You always want to personalize the output. You want to experiment with different tones. You can just try formal, casual, humorous style, and more. And then you can go ahead and ask for multiple versions. If you're not happy with the first script, you can generate a few variation. Claude AI is an incredible tool for YouTube creator, but the best results come when you combine AI generated content with your personal touch. You don't want to base everything on the AI tool right here. And so to fully test out Claude AI, let's go ahead and ask it on how to use itself as a YouTube script maker. Now do how to use Claude AI for YouTube video scripts. Let's hit on enter, and in no time we will be able to generate our YouTube scripts about creating Claude AI for YouTube video scripts. Now it really gets confusing right here, but let's go ahead and read this together. Now, as you can see, we have our own introduction. What's up creators? Today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful AI tools available, which is Claude AI. Whether you're a content creator, student, or professional, by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Claude to supercharge your productivity. And if we browse down right here, we have strong tips or pro tips in order to use Claude AI into our advantage. Once again, as I've mentioned previously, it can go ahead and do something like create a hook that grabs attention, clear segments with timestamps. You can use it to real examples with case studies, a strong call to action visuals, and production notes for visuals. You also have some tips like this one. And so basically, you can go ahead and ask Claude AI anything in order to leverage your YouTube script making process. And that's how you can use Claude AI to create YouTube video scripts. Whether you're making educational videos, vlogs, products, reviews, or tutorials, this AI can help you craft professional, engaging, and well-structured scripts in minutes. And so if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI content creation tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried using Claude AI for your scripts. What was your experience like? Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.